I like the sound of it. It's so cute.
Rose?
Yeah.
Ako lang ito. Isang araw, lalabas ng katotohanan. Park Min Young! Park Min Young! How excited are you guys? Ito ba? Closer. Congratulations! Baka malimutan ka dyan, ha? Sana all!
Hi guys! Welcome to Philippine Stars YouTube channel. Andito tayo ngayon sa SM Skydome para sa first ever fan meeting ni Park Min Young. Are you excited? Yes! Let's go!
Thank you, ma'am. Nandito siya tayo.
For the very first time.
Sobrang masaya lang ako sa myself as Park Min Young. Dahil ito ang pinili niya.
Who saw this drama? It was amazing, right? Wow! Grabe! Your body line is perfect. She's so beautiful, right guys?
Exercise po siya palagi. Siyempre yung posture niya din. Dapat good posture, which will result to good form and body. Kaya she tries her best to do exercises.
It's a photo of an article that says romantic comedy is Park Min Young's genre. It's been proven once more. Let's give her a round of applause. It's your acting that made it the best. Diba? Ito nga. Ito ba? Oh, it's a video! He looks so happy in this video. Was this taken before or after the kissing scene? Before the scene. How does Min Young react when she's happy? Eli danced.
For the role of this drama, she had no choice but to lose her way to the
Sana lahat ganyan kaganda magalit, di ba? Focus na focus kayo guys, ha? What? More! Why did I stop there? be here with Min Young. This was the actual one used for this drama.
You have to kind of act like, yeah, you're
Nice. 1, 2, 3. Yay! Congratulations!
I really like it. Nothing and ever can make me feel the way you do the things you do. I love you, dancing in the moonlight, nobody can see. It's just you and me tonight. Dancing in the moonlight, nobody can see. It's just you and me tonight. Look at you now, look at me. How I don't know if I don't like this. Look at you now, look at me. How I don't know if I don't like this. It's just you and me tonight. I love you and me. Dancing in the moonlight, nobody can see.
Maybe it took like 3 weeks to prepare this performance.
Wow! And your lavender outfit looks amazing. You look like a fairy.
If you think about the country Philippines, you think of like bright, very light, diba? And when you think about this country, the lavender is the color, the first color that came into her mind. And of course, the color that she really, really loves, her favorite color is lavender as well.
Okay, I think there's no end. Why do you keep getting prettier and prettier and prettier? Totoo ba?
Salam po. Maraming salamat po.
Yes!
Ako lang ito. Ako lang ito. Manapit lang ang kaligayahan. Or isang araw lalabas bilang katotohanan. Ang mundo.
Yes! Bakit pag siya yung nagsabi, parang ang cute, right guys?
Ano ang beautiful in Tagalog?
Ano? Diyosa? Masabi nga, 1, 2, 3. Hindi namin marinig dito. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Yes! Are you really a fan of BTS? Of course. Yes!
I really, really love all the K-pop groups in the K-pop industry, so
What's your mantra?
just do it. Yeah.
What tattoo should I get and wear?
You need someone here. So maybe heart. Here.
It's a collarbone.
Maybe you can get like a tattoo of Minion sleeves.
I recommend it.
It's your first time here in Manila. How are you liking the summer heat?
Actually, for her, it's cold here.
Really? Who's cold right now? Can she give you a hug? She said she's always been in air-conditioned areas and hotels here, so I think she hasn't experienced the summer heat yet.
Miriam, have you tried halo-halo? Not yet. Calamansi juice. You tried it.
I love it.
You're gonna love Halo Halo, especially if you really experience the summer heat. Halo Halo is like shaved ice with a lot of like
The bingsu.
Oh, I love it.
golf rounding in Manila or scuba diving in Bohol. Scuba diving. Do you like scuba diving?
No, I just heard that Alex took up to, play. You guys already told me that, so.
very surreal kasi Mingyang was, I've been watching her during pandemic only. Then she inspired me to be happy because I was so sad during pandemic.
What made you happiest during the pandemic?
All of the what's wrong with sickness?
With a rate 1 to 10, if you were to rate her beauty up close,
Of course, her friendship with them, we're gonna rate her like 100 for me. More than a 10. Do you agree, guys?
I'm really grateful to have such a friend of you, as an actor, to have this kind of band. It's just blessed with friends.
Oh, thank you so much! Sino gustong makatanggap ng personalized eco bag? Aside from like making an eco bag, is there a DIY project that you want to try?
can you stop distracting me? And the message she wrote here, my one and only.
Yes. She didn't know she was on cam.
So good.
Check under your seats.
So see there my heart?
Oh my God! So did you fly all the way here to see Park Min-young? Let's give a round of applause.
I can buy myself flowers, running in the sand. Talk to myself for hours, yeah, saying you don't understand. Ito ano na yan. Kailangan mo na.
One, two, say the word, okay? 1, 2, 3.
It's such a grateful time for her to be here. Now that I'm here, and again, I really want to come back again, and that feeling is adding up. And I really promise to you guys, I really promise that we're gonna see each other again. But in order to show the best Minyoung as an actress, of course, I will have to work even harder to become the best actress.
Thank you for coming today, and I really love you guys. So thank you.
Oh my gosh guys, ang daming pabaon ni Park Min-young. Meron siyang poster, notebook, sticker, photo card, saka book art. Lalo na. Oh, wow. Unboxing. Ang ganda. Ay, may photo card. Dalawa siya. Photo card. Ay, fresh! So, Jul, anong favorite part mo ng fan? Pasabog po ni Minyoung. Sumayaw ng You and Me ni Jane. Oh my God! Favorite part ko din yun as a Jenny fan. Diba po? Napaka-talented pala niya. Ang dami niyang nagagawa. Kaya nga po, yung pang-acting. Yeah.